Hey there artists, welcome to Erwin's Art Adventure. Today we're going to be drawing a super cool Lego person. What's going to be even cooler is that this is your chance to be creative and you're going to make this Lego character look like you. So let's get started. Near the middle of my paper is going to be the middle of his body, or her body. So I'm going to draw a straight line right about here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw straight lines that kind of come down at an angle on both sides. And I want to try to do the same line on the opposite side. Now, what I want to do next is I want to connect the bottom of this line and the bottom of this line with a straight line. So now we have the middle of the body. We have an understanding of where the limbs and the head go. So I'm going to draw a neck by adding two lines. And the head is going to be a square shape, but instead of 90-degree angles, we're going to do a rounded corner. And to make it easier, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a top and bottom line. And I'm going to do a left and right side. And now instead of having a 90-degree corner, like I said, I'm going to do rounded corners. Just by doing these curved lines to connect my lines together. Now Lego heads normally have a circular spot at the top. But if you're looking at it straight on, it's going to be a rectangular shape. So I'm going to do two lines. And I'm going to connect those two lines with a straight line. Let's give our Lego person a face by doing two circles. And we're going to give it a smile by doing a wide U shape. Let's go ahead and fill the eyes in. So now that we have the head and body, let's add the legs. The legs are very easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to do two straight lines on both sides. Let's make it a little bit longer because we're going to add some feet. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to do two lines on the inside. But I'm going to leave a little bit of a space. Like this. Now I'm just going to connect these two lines with another straight line. Now to close off the bottom of the legs, we're just going to add some straight lines along the bottom. We're going to give them some feet just by adding an additional set of lines. To make it a little bit more accurate, we're going to add a line that goes down the middle of his legs, like this. Now let's move on to the arms. Real quick, according to the website Fun Kids, there are about 400 billion Lego bricks on Earth. And if you split them up with everyone on the planet, each person would have at least 50 bricks or more. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. For the arms, I'm going to do a long curved line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight line that comes across to the body. Now I'm going to try to repeat this line on the other side. Now their hands are like claws, or I guess C shapes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a curved line here and a curved line there to make kind of like a C shape. And at the end of my lines here, I'm going to do a little U. And now I'm going to use these lines and connect them with another C shape. So let's try to do that on the opposite side. So we're going to make our C shape for our hand. We're going to put a little U shape at the end. And then connect those two U shapes with the C shape. Now we have a very simple outline of a Lego person. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this chance to be creative and I'm going to color him with the colors that I'm wearing at this moment, which is a gray sweater and some green pants. So I'll be right back. And this is my Lego person wearing a very simple version of what I'm wearing at this moment. But you know what? I really want to take my drawing into the next level, and I'm going to add some details. So if you want to stick around, feel free to stick around. If not, have a good one. But I'm going to keep going and add little details to help elevate my drawing just a little bit more. I'll be right back. And this is my Lego character. Remember, it was a very simple outline and a very simple colored Lego person, and all I did was take some time and add a hoodie, some stitching, and a little bit of the highlights with a color pencil, and it really turned my cool drawing into a really cool piece of art. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did like the video, I hope you guys like and subscribe for future videos, and I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.